As we go into the world of NFTs, I want to take you into how we got to this point. Everything started with colored coins. The first decentralized cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, but Bitcoin was fungible. Now people were trying to find ways in which they could actually transfer assets. The first such attempt was colored coins from 2012. In fact, this is actually a screenshot from the Wayback Machine from Coin Prism, which was one of the most famous colored coin wallets available. It's no longer available. It stopped being serviced in 2018, and colored coins are no longer what they used to be. This was the way to be able to transfer assets, and it was done on top of Bitcoin. Now, to put you into the context of this, colored coins basically gave you the opportunity to issue and transfer any asset on the Bitcoin blockchain. Think about it. You had the technology for Bitcoins, but Bitcoins were fungible, so you really couldn't transfer an asset. But if you found a way to create what was then to become colored coins, you could transfer an asset using the Bitcoin blockchain. Now, these could be stocks, coupons, bonds, and the record of an ownership of an asset was included in a Bitcoin transaction. That's how you could record the transfer, and you could record the ownership of the asset as a colored coin. Now, these could be issued on the Bitcoin blockchain for as little as 1 Satoshi. That's 100 millionth of a Bitcoin. So this is a very, very effective way to do it, but the technology really didn't get any further because things improved over time. The next step forward was Counterparty. Counterparty came about in 2014, and it's still around. Counterparty is still very popular. For example, rare Peppies run on Counterparty, and Counterparty is very popular, but it actually came in as an early entrant in 2014. What it enabled, the vision, was a peer-to-peer financial platform built on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. This enabled people to transfer currencies and assets via the Bitcoin blockchain. Again, we're leveraging the Bitcoin blockchain because Bitcoin started it all. And Bitcoin was the first decentralized cryptocurrency. And just like colored coins leveraged the Bitcoin blockchain, Counterparty leveraged the Bitcoin blockchain. It is famous for trading collectible rare Peppy memes. I spoke to you about the Homer Peppy that was actually using Counterparty. Now we jump a little further to 2017. This is when NFTs really started hitting in, and we're talking with CryptoKitties and CryptoPunks. This really put NFTs into the mainstream. So just to put things in context, both of these were developed on the Ethereum blockchain. Notice we are no longer using Bitcoin. Now we're moving to Ethereum because Ethereum allows for smart contracts. It's actually a platform meant to use smart contracts on. So both of these, CryptoKitties and CryptoPunks from 2017, were developed on the Ethereum blockchain. CryptoPunks was the first NFT to be launched on Ethereum. And shortly after, CryptoKitties was launched, and it popularized the ERC-721 token standard that has now become so popular among NFTs. In fact, the majority of NFTs sold nowadays are actually using this ERC-721 token standard. Another thing I want to point out is that CryptoPunks did not use the ERC-721 token standard, and this made it hard to trade in marketplaces. Now, what I want to point out to you is that the technology has moved beyond, but what I want to point out to you is in history where you were at that moment. CryptoKitties was the first really big success case for NFTs, and it popularized this ERC-721 token standard that runs on Ethereum. From there, we have Decentraland. Decentraland is actually a virtual reality platform that runs on Ethereum. What's great about Decentraland is that players can buy land in this 3D virtual space. This is using NFTs. You own that property inside Decentraland. It raised $26 million in initial coin offering in under 1 minute. Huge success case for the need of having assets that you can transfer in this platform, Ethereum. Very big moment in history with NFTs and the creation of digital assets using Ethereum. So, cut to the chase and let's get to where we are today. This is where you are. In 2021, the mainstream NFTs have hit record numbers. In fact, NFT sales topped $2 billion in the first quarter of 2021, with twice as many buyers than sellers. There's a lot of opportunity, and as we go through this course, you will learn how you can also create your own NFTs and put them up for sale.